We're told that buying eco-friendly ceramic is the best choice for the planet. But at Wade Media Labs, we found that the greenest pan isn't new, it's already in circulation. We pitted a $150 eco pan against a $30 pre-owned cast iron skillet. We wanted to measure the intersection of embodied carbon and metallurgical longevity. Most green pans rely on sol gel ceramic coatings. Our audits show these surfaces fail 3 times faster than traditional materials. When a safe pan hits a landfill in 2 years, its environmental footprint triples. We analyzed the embodied carbon of both units. The pre-owned skillet has already paid its environmental debt. By keeping it in the workshop, you eliminate the carbon cost of new manufacturing and shipping. In our durability tests, the pre-owned skillet showed metallurgical immortality. With simple reseasoning, it regained a perfect release surface. The eco pan? Once that ceramic matrix pits, the pan is functionally dead. The winner for the planet was clear. A $30 investment in high-density, pre-owned iron outperforms the luxury eco narrative in both durability and carbon reduction. True sustainability is measured in decades, not marketing cycles. In the workshop of the kitchen, durability is the only green metric that matters. See our full sustainability audit and our guide to restoring pre-owned gear at cookwarescout.com. Look for the Eco versus Pre-owned report.